Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk English, the podcast where we help you learn English by listening and speaking. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hi, everyone. How are you today? We are so glad you joined us.
Yes, today's topic is exciting. We're going to talk about trips.
That's right. We'll help you learn how to describe a trip in English, especially for the IELTS speaking test.
Exactly. We'll cover simple expressions, useful vocabulary, and some stories to make your answers natural.
All right, let's start with part 1 questions. Emma, can I ask you some simple questions about trips?
Sure, go ahead.
First question, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I enjoy visiting new places, trying new foods, and meeting different people.
Perfect. And notice how she said, I enjoy visiting new places. You can also say, I like going to new cities, or I enjoy exploring new countries.
Exactly. Next question, what's your favorite type of trip?
I think a trip to the mountains. I love fresh air, hiking, and seeing beautiful views.
Nice. And you said fresh air. That's a useful phrase. It means clean air, usually in nature, not in a city.
Exactly. What about you, Emma? Favorite trip?
I love beach trips. I enjoy swimming in the sea, walking on the sand, and relaxing in the sun.
Great answer. And you can add details in IELTS. For example, I like beach trips because they help me relax and forget about work.
Now let's practice part 2, the long answer.
Yes. Here's a sample question. Describe a trip you enjoyed. You should say where you went, who you went with, what you did, and explain why you enjoyed it.
All right, I'll give it a try.
Go ahead.
Last summer, I went to Paris with my best friend. It was my first time in France. We visited the Eiffel Tower, walked along the Seine River, and tried delicious French foods like croissants and crepes. I really enjoyed this trip because I love learning about new cultures. Paris is beautiful, and the people were friendly. I will never forget this experience.
That's perfect. And notice some useful expressions. I will never forget this experience. A strong ending for IELTS answers. I love learning about new cultures, shows interest and adds depth. Visited the Eiffel Tower, walked along the river, using past tense verbs clearly.
Exactly. Small details make your answer more vivid.
Now let's move to part 3, discussion questions.
Yes. Question 1. Why do people like to travel?
I think people like to travel because it's exciting and helps them relax. Traveling is also a way to learn new things, meet people, and see beautiful places.
Good. You can also say, traveling broadens your mind, which means it helps you understand more about the world.
Nice phrase. Next question. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with friends because it's more fun. You can share experiences, take photos together, and support each other if there's a problem.
Yes, that's true. But traveling alone is also interesting because you can do exactly what you want.
Exactly. Both have advantages. That's a nice opinion for IELTS.
Next question. What kinds of places do people like to visit on vacation?
It depends on people. Some people like beaches, some like mountains, and some like big cities. Some people prefer cultural trips, visiting museums and historic sites, while others like adventure trips, like hiking or skiing.
Perfect. You just gave a full, detailed answer. That's great for IELTS speaking.
Time for Vocabulary Corner. Let's review some words from today's topic.
Word 1, destination. The place you go on a trip. For example, Paris was our favorite destination.
Word 2, itinerary. A plan for a trip, like where to go and what to do. For example, our itinerary included visiting museums and parks.
Word 3, sightseeing. Visiting interesting places. For example, we spent the day sightseeing in Rome.
Word 4, culture. The way people live, including food, art, and traditions. For example, I love learning about different cultures.
Word 5, memorable. Something you will remember because it's special. For example, it was a memorable trip to the mountains.
Before we finish, let's share a funny travel story. Ben?
Sure. Once I went to Italy and wanted to try gelato, Italian ice cream. I accidentally ordered 3 big scoops instead of 1.
Oh no.
Yes, I tried to eat it all, but it was too much. People were laughing, and I learned to double-check my order next time.
That's a perfect story. It's short, funny, and personal. Exactly the type of story you can use in IELTS.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode.
We hope this helped you learn how to describe a trip in English and gave you ideas for IELTS speaking.
Remember to use details, small stories, and new vocabulary. It makes your answer much stronger.
And don't worry about mistakes. Keep practicing and speaking.
Yes. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
We'll see you next time for another fun English conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.